Congress MLA Joy Kishan says it would be wrong to celebrate Sangai festival amidst the uncertain final outcome of Naga peace talks. Patsoi MLA Akoijam Mirabai warns to carry out a hunger strike if the finalization of Naga peace talks ever threatens the integrity of the state. Bomb scare in Imphal city. People were panicked by a flask bottle suspected as bombs kept at the road divider near Kangla Western Gate. And 6 months grassroots football development program kicks off at Pakhangba Cultural Club Mayai Koibi in Patsoi constituency. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you the Sunday Primetime English News. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of the day. Thangmaiband MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan said that he will not attend this year's Sangai festival owing to the issues prevailing in the state. He asserted that people shall refrain from any festivities including Sangai festival as the final outcome of Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NACN IM is uncertain. Speaking to media in a press meet held at his residence in Kuyatong today, MLA Joy Kishan said that political parties in the state, including Congress Party, has been urging the state government to convene a special assembly session, and the people of the state has been carrying out various forms of agitations under Kokumi against disintegration of Manipur, maintaining that it would be inaccurate to celebrate the Sangai festival organized by the state government amidst such issues. He appealed people to act accordingly. MLA Joy Kishan also appealed to the BJP-led government to work honestly to preserve the territorial integrity of the state. He maintained that the 4 MPs from the state has a great role to prevent from tabling Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 and Naga Peace Accord at the upcoming Parliament session on 18th of November. MLA Joy Kishan appealed the 4 MPs of the state to act as per the interest of the people.
Tourism Department के खुथांग दगी अयाकपु संगाई फेस्टिवल की डिग्निटरी ओइना फमना बाहाइदना कन्फर्मेशन तोबिरु हाइदना इरकप सिथि दो अयाकना ngasi मियाम पुनमक्ता हंदक की कुमसी की ओइना दी अयाक संगाई फेस्टिवल यावजररोय डिग्निटरी की ओइबा फमफम लांगदा फमबद नतना संगाई फेस्टिवल तौरि मफम दो अयाक चंगरोय चोकथादना लैरबा हिरम खुदिमक्ता सोयरबा बीजेपी सिदा कोइना मतेंग पांगबिरगे हाइबदा चेलबा सिनदी प्रजा मियाम दगी इशू दगी मखोइसे चेल हाइबसे मियाम सु खंगबिरो चाखुटपद मनिंग हल्लबनी चिंदना चाखुटपा डेवलपमेंट संचले शांति पुरे है खुदमक्तदी ओना तैनबद ngaktang ngairab si lenga asta appeal tawjabadi बीजेपी ना चिन थीबगी हाइनबिदो अतोप फिबम ददि रम थीबिउ लुरबा तंजा सिदा इंटीग्रिटी की क्वेश्चन लाखवा मणिपुर की मचेत ताबय फिबम लाखवा सिददी मसिमा तंगदी चिन थीबिगनु हाइदना इना अपील तवजरी.
Patsoi MLA Akoijam Mirabai warned to carry out hunger strike if the finalization of Naga peace talks ever threatened the integrity of the state. She stated the same to media at an alert protest meet today held at the community hall of Tera Yengkom Leirak, organized by Patsoi Block Congress Committee against disintegration of Manipur. Residents of Patsoi, including people of a Kabui community from Ramji Khul, attended the protest meet. Various placards were used during the sit-in. Speaking to media, MLA Mirabai said that people are apprehensive over the possible finalization of Naga peace talks. She criticized the state government for failing to act as per the interests of people. MLA Mirabai also lambasted the state government for failing to convene a special assembly session, fearing the central leaders. She warned of various forms of agitation along with people to preserve the integrity of the state. The protesters led by MLA Mirabai formed human chain at Yengkom Leirak along Imphal Ziri Road, railing towards Quaramban Market. However, Patsoi police team led by OC halted the agitators near Tera Market.
Manipur kahit lagpatarabadi MLA di laradana ay isa magpaw sidri phaw chara henduna ngasi koi thengnagani haibu wakhal se ai thamoida phawri karigumba Manipur se kahit lagpataragadi center amuk state ta leriba BJP government gi responsibility ni haibu se ai chap chana masi laugadabani haibu se ngasi ai haijari lisang sitna Congress party na asigumbra achauba issue ama lakadore thengnabagi damakta law khongna ikoi khongjan kaya changselakpa matamda agang machana law khongbagumna karem kathaina duna lekpa ngasi chu karimta kaheloi haibase karai phawba BJP na lead tawba sarkar asina daita lobang amgadoribano haibase ai isana hangjaningi.
People carried out mass alert meet under the initiative of Kokomi against disintegration of Manipur by the final settlement of Naga peace talks innovated in the state today. Pharmacists of the state stage alert protest meet at Kaishampat Lemujam Laikai. Residents of Kongman Mangjil and Kangla Sangomsang in Infal East also carried out protest demonstrations against disintegration of Manipur. Public, along with Infal's More Vend eco drivers, also staged sit-in at Kangempli, Ahanthem Laikai and Moirangkhom parking in solidarity to Kokomi. People of Karam community stage alert protest meet today against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga peace talks. Tui Sheng Phai Youth Club, Tui Sheng Phai Mera Paibi and United Women's Right Defenders jointly organized a protest meet at the community hall of Tui Sheng Phai village in Kangpokpi district. Taking part in the protest, Mera Paibi leaders of Tui Sheng Phai village, Saifu Rengneyang, appealed not to create division among the communities residing in the state by the conclusion of Naga peace talks. She asserted that the Karam community will extend solidarity to all the initiative of Kokomi if the Indian government ever acted against the wishes of people of the state. The protesters also carried out alert protest rally along Tui Sheng Phai village and chanted various slogans during the protest.
Naga peace talk asina maram oiraga Manipur gi ngam khai kai bayaroi aduga Manipur da laingak ani su bayaroi aduga Naga peace talk asina maram oiraga karigumba Manipur gi ngam khai kai bayar yabagi wari sanarak labadi
masida lakadaba khudong thiba khudingmak government na mayong nagadabani aduga masigi matangda ko komina changkhalakpa ihokuding maknasu akogi tuition phai youth club amadi mara pai bing singnasu masida kuning thawai haksang yauna saruk yagani
Naga peace talk.
Kabui Mothers Association in a press release extended solidarity to all the initiatives of Kokomi to save the integrity of the state. Men and women writers of Jiribam also staged a large protest meet demanding to keep the state's territorial integrity intact and to disclose the final outcome of Naga peace talk in front of Congress Bhavan at Babupara in Jiribam district today. Various placards which read, "We condemn the divide and rule policy of the Indian government, long live Manipur," were displayed at the protest meet.
अखोइना पामदबा मयाम अखोइना जानिंगदबा मयाम अखोइ टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी दा अखोइ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव इंटीग्रिटी दा सोलकदबा अदुगुम्बा वारोल मयामा हाइरबा जानबसिदि यावरकदरा हाइबगे अखोइना सिंगनबा लेबिदगी असिगुम्बा सेक्शन बिफमसे अखोइना फमजबनी थोइदो हिंदोना अखोइ जिबामददी अमुकसु हेना अखोइ खुदोंथिनाय अखोइ करिगिनो हाइदि अमगी मेपतसु यावसली अमगी मेपतसु यावसली जिबामसे तौरिसे aduna khoi jiri bam da di he na khoi di khudong thina oi adu di thoidu hendo na khoi ai basing di Manipur iramdam se macet ye na gi na sayan ngai na gi na Manipur miram khoi iramdam se leitra ta ga di khoi ai basing se krai da khoi gi mafam atu gi damak ta khoi na henjan na khoi ai basing gi nungna
United Tribal People's Organization Technopole District in a press release appealed peoples of the state to refrain from spreading communal statements among various communities residing in the state owing to the issues prevailing in the state. Imphal West District Commando team carried out search operation in Imphal City today. Police team under the supervision of Imphal West Additional SP Operations Amarjit Lamabam, led by Imphal West Commando OC Pia Chauba, conducted search operation from 12:15 to 12:40 p.m. and 3 to 5 p.m. today. The team verified around 500 individuals and apprehended 22 individuals without proper identification documents for further verification at City Police Station. People were panicked by a flasked bottle suspected as bomb kept at the road divider near Kangla Western Gate under City Police in Imphal West District today. According to Impact News sources, the suspected flasked bottle was found around 11:30 a.m. Additional Imphal West Police rushed to the spot and halted people from passing through the route. A team of Manipur bomb squad arrived and took away the flasked bottle. City Police has filed a case regarding the incident and investigations are underway. First phase of a free computer lab campaign initiated by Coordinating Committee Old Manipur Youths and Students Welfare Association to avail computer education at private school concluded today. Computer labs were open at 35 private schools during the first phase. Convener of the Coordinating Committee, K.H. Rameshwar, announced that the second phase of the campaign will kick off during the early 2020. He stated the same at opening of the last computer lab for the first phase at Kanglei Park Modern School in Shingda, Kadangban today. Speaking on the occasion, K.H. Rameshwar lamented over the lack of computer education facilities at outskirts of the state. He condemned the school's authority who failed to provide computer education despite charging computer education fees. K.H. Rameshwar appealed those schools who are unable to open computer labs to contact the committee. He further stressed on the need to be a part of the fast-changing information technology world. K.H. Rameshwar called upon parents and guardians to cooperate and urged the school authority to take appropriate responsibility in providing computer education to the students.
Greater Imphal da khitang haidokhiba school ayamba akhoi computer education gi maroina akhoi theory khak tawraga so akhoi practical tawnaba akhoi computer lab laitaba siguma mayama akhoi thengna jai aduna akhoi coordinating committee gi maikai de akhoi school khuding ma akhoi chatpa gi akhoi na khudong chaba akhoi ngamdabani na computer education de akhoi gi school singina pambiraga so akhoi gi hairiba kaino sing adu akhoi financial gi kari gi akhoi gi awaba laibana maram kan da khoi practical kano to khoi computer lab laitaba sing khoi coordinating committee da matam chana pau pibira kan da khoi na su laiba 2020 gi phase 2 sidagi khoi na angamba mateng pangjagani greater
Winners of state-level mathematics and science competitions organized by Mahikold, Manipur's first ever e-learning educational application, were felicitated at TRI Auditorium today. More than 2,000 students from class 6 to 10 competed in the competition. Top 10 winners from every class were felicitated with certificates and cash awards. Speaking on the occasion, Managing Director of Mahikold, Arambam Priyavata, said that Mahikold is an mobile application which was launched to avail various opportunities to students. He asserted that Mahikold is a worldwide project to bring a change in the field of education.
Mahikold haiba mobile application haiba se is a worldwide project, and this project is a first ever free e-learning application. Aduga masidagi kanaba akoy da kari umamata laizade, and it's my dedication for the education community. aduna mayamna positive response pibirakpa feedback pibirakpa mayamna pibirba suggestion do maduna thamoida thamaga angang singi damakta kathoknage haiba adugi achetpa thajaba leiraga mahikol is still life adune mahikol ji leiri film se.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on release of a novel entitled Srimati Imashi, written by renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Primetime News. A novel entitled Srimati Imashi, written by renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam, was released today. Professor Nongmai Them Tombi and Dr. I.S. Kangjam graced the event held at the Shrined Playhouse of Chorus Repertory Theatre near Uripok, Kangchup Road. Longjumped Jay Chandra spoke regarding the novel at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Ratan Thiam said that the novel was written 50 years back. He asserted that the novel might not have complete if R.K. Bidhur failed to collect the written script of the novel. Ratan Thiam maintained that he released the novel to extend some contribution in the field of Manipuri literature. R.K. Bidhur was felicitated with gifts as a mark of respect on the occasion. Senior social groups distributed monthly stipends to selected 5 students from Sagolban Sayang, Kuraumakong and Konthaucham Laikai area today. 3 players who bagged gold medals in the field of International Thangta Championship 2019, which was held at Chungju City, South Korea, were also felicitated in the event held at the residence of Dr. Hongsangbam Maina in Konthaucham Laikai of Sagolban Sayang Road. Embroidery and tailoring machines were distributed to 110 women workers of Moirang constituency under Minorities and Other Backward Classes MOBC for 2017-18 and 2018-19 today. Speaking at the distribution event held at Modi Bhavan, Moirang, MLA P. Sarachandra encouraged people to exhibit their talents and capabilities instead of merely depending on government jobs. He urged people to explore ways to become economically self-reliant.
Pisaba, lonba, purituba, karbar toba suma macha mayam sinai sai tomta chauthok chawa magaloinana madu ai hingdaba yade haiba wakalondu da in ihaisi tamakanda mayam de hingna bhona buduni sarkar na thakpanga moy lamdama se koi manipur de laibuk phabani na nupi singi thongna nupi singi haisingba nupa macha singi haisingba lawmi singi haisingba nga yokpa miyoi singi haisingba lalolbi ge haisingba suma mayam sin haira kanda sarkar na paisa lejadragasu lairaragasu aikoi gi midi aikoi hingba ngami.
Tentha Makalaika Youth Development Association held post-Ningol Chakoba celebration at Tentha in Thoubal district today. Many women folks from various areas and Ningol Club Tentha feast together at Tentha Kunjao Junior High School campus. The women folks were presented gift after the feast. CMD of Lamyanba Group of Companies, Laimujam Pratap Singh from Tentha Kunjao, who achieved the Indian Legend Award 2019, was also felicitated with mementos on the occasion. Ima Laishamed Inat Loishang offered prayer to bring peace among the different communities residing in the state today. The prayer were offered at the shrine of Wangkai Pantho in Nongpok Ching Thong Thalo Shipi Lok in Nongmai Hilt. Taking part in the ceremony, Secretary of the Loishang A. Lyric Lama said that prayers were being offered to bring an end to the issues facing the state.
ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯪꯖꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯆꯪꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯡꯗꯧ ꯆꯣꯡꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯣꯡ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯒ ꯐꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯔꯩꯆꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ
A newly constructed Haibok Mahadeva shrine at Hyangthang Haibok Ching was inaugurated today. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Haibok Mahadeva Development Committee, General Brajamohan, said that the newly constructed shrine will ease the plights facing the people in time of religious ceremony. He asserted that 12 members of Hyangthang Lairimbi Development Seva Committee resolved to form a separate committee of Haibok Mahadeva Shrine on 2013.
Haibong Mahadeva, Nong Development Committee now, Sumaito Sinjana, Noble License Sanga, Jadana, Mato Siam to Noloshalani, Sumaito, no Majin Kuring it Honghange, Adu Bhakta Mayam, Shibabu, Ningbi Mayam, Lengbi Rectamasida, Korambira, the Sukimati Committee, and Nungai Jagani, Loina Nakanagumana, Ushop, Magi, Ahalamangi, Manopangi, Apavadin, the Katpining, Baka, the Willa, so Koshi left and a Katse. Adu takpira so adu sevadu committee na adu bahadu logjagani abu wapam chitamja.
Residents of More offered prayers at the shrine of Ima Kondong Lairimbi in More to pacify the current issues prevailing in the state today. People offered fruit, flower and lighted candles during the offerings. Meghalaya resident Doyin Suna, who went missing while traveling to Manipur, was found by Wangoi police and handed over to his family on 8th of November. Renowned film actor of Manipur, T.H. Lokendra from Lalambung Makong found the person beaching near his residence on the midnight of 17th of October. Certificate were handed over to the successful trainees of fitness training at U Fitness Center in Singjame, Kongba Road today. Jila Parisat of 14 Uchekond Nongchup Seramd Nikend, Vijaya Bank managers Rokshang Liand Naulak, Information Service Television Network Secretary K.H. Kogent, retired GM of DICS Thoiba, President of U Fitness Center K.H. Kuleshwar, and renowned people of the state attended the event. 30 trainees were trained every 3 months during the course held for 4 months under PMKVY scheme with an aim to keep the youths healthy. Certificates were handed over to 120 men and women trainers. 6 months grassroots football development program kick-off at Pakangba Cultural Club Mayai Koibi in the Patsoi constituency today. 24 players between the age of 6 to 8 years, 18 players between the age of 9 to 10 years and 11 to 12 years. Altogether, 55 boys and 5 girls are participating in the development program jointly organized by the club along with Old Manipur Football Association. President of Old Manipur Football Association M. Ratan Kumar, PCC President C.H. Ibopisak, Pradhan of Sapam Lekai Gram Panchayat A. Bishorjit, and members of the club attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Secretary of the club, C.S. Roshin Kanta, said that the program is being held with an aim to produce new players of football.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ PCC ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ PCCꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯔꯨꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯍꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ grassroots levelꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Congress MLA Joy Kisan says it would be wrong to celebrate Sangai Festival amidst the uncertain final outcome of Naga peace talks. Patsoi MLA Akoi Mirabai wants to carry out hunger strike if the finalization of Naga peace talk ever threatens the integrity of the state. Bomb scare in Imphal city. People were panicked by a flax bottle suspected as bombs kept at the road divider near Kangla Western Gate. And 6-month grassroots football development program kick off at Pakangba Cultural Club Mayai Koibi in Patsoi.